Alright? Number 691751. 691751. Who got number 691751? Hey, yo, man. The ticket we're looking for is 691751. Pull out your tickets. Where's my winner at? Come on, I know somebody won these tickets. Somebody like, yeah, if you really got that number, like, put your hand up. If you don't, just put it down. We're not going to even give it to you anyway. So alright, you know what? Alright, next one. Let's go. Where's my next ticket? Alright, thank you. Let's try this again. 691855. Get your cell phones out, put the light on your ticket, make sure that's your ticket. Seriously. Alright, we got the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No one else. Alright, next one. Alright. Anyway, next ticket. Y'all don't win this yet. Let's go. I'm gonna do this so I find somebody. Alright, there we go. 691909. Wait, what? What? Did I find somebody? What? 691909. Alright. We're just gonna hold in the door, man. You know. Yo, we got a special guest tonight. We got my man Soncier right now. So I want y'all to show some love right now.
It was good. Hey, yo, ladies, make some noise. Hey, little fellas, now make some noise in the jump. It's fun in the house. What's up? Fun in here? VAP. There we go. Hey, yo. Alright, name is Soncier. They heard with hip hop, but I don't know iTunes, really heard of me, look me up. Now, I got this exclusive joint. It's called The Helicopter. I don't usually do dance records, but it's a dance record. Now, hold up. Now, I'm gonna ask y'all to help me create this dance, right? Now, I ain't gonna do the dance right now. Y'all gonna go on the MySpace and make a video. If I like it, I'm gonna use it. But this is for the ladies right here. Hey, hold up. First of all, I'm gonna ask y'all trying to hit? Alright, bet. Throw it on. Who's that on the beat? Soncier's on the beat. Who's that on the beat? Soncier's on the beat. Who's that on the beat? Soncier's on the beat. Who's that on the beat? Soncier's. Hey, you know that I'm a showstopper. And if you wanna know, it is not good. And then we be cool and proper. What you gonna do, Charlie? And I'm gonna do the helicopter. 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 I said, I'm gonna do the helicopter. And I'm gonna do the helicopter. And I'm gonna do the helicopter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the question is, I got the answer. Next, me and jamming. Yes, I'll be slamming. Clearly, cameras there. It's better her pajamas. My girl is feeling for all that. With the bandages, it's Soncier. Next, I'ma make a dance record. Disrespecting who? Listen with me, damn. What happened to the lyrics when I was spit? But we don't wanna hear it on this kind of instrumental feeling. Okay. I'ma do that helicopter. I said, hey, ladies, you want me straight. Hey, ladies and PS, keep your hands up. Hey, these in the house, where the ballers at? I got a ball there, the ball there, where the ladies at? Yeah, move to the side, it's just you step forward. You can move to the side, it's just you step forward. You can move to the side, it's just you step forward. It's your crew step forward. You know what it is, done this. Yeah, I'm gonna check you right now.
What it is, I'ma tell you what it is.